We got a package. So I would use scissors, but to be honest, I don't think I need it. Okay. So this is an alarm that I ordered maybe 2 or 3 days ago. So I have really been wanting one of these for a while, and I finally got it. So I got this at a really good deal, obviously, or else I wouldn't have bought it. But let's look at it. I mean, I don't think this is the right packaging, but anyways. Oh. And you can tell what it is. Very calm alarm. Wow. It actually looks really good. Some paperwork, I guess. Wow. Yay. Okay, let me get this thing open because obviously I can't do this with one hand. And here it is. It's a horn strobe, but and I think it's like fixed candela. Let me get this open. So overall, it looks really nice actually. Ooh, come on, focus. This thing, let's see. There you go. Let's see. Yeah, it's fixed 75 candela, which isn't that bad. Overall, like, I really like the feeling of this, like, for real. It is really nice. Alright, let me actually get it open like I said I was going to do. I finally got it open. Like, I am so excited. So let me get it, like, hooked up to the system and all. But, so that's this, right? Okay, but I also have one of these, but this one is for, like, you can change the candela. But I mean, it still don't look bad. So if I want a red one, there you go. Or I can have white. And looking at both of these side by side, they're a little different. If you look, like, right here, they're a little different if you look at it. I don't know, maybe this one's older or something. But yeah, I am really excited to use this. So I'm going to hook this up to the garage system and test this thing out. Alright, so we're here at the panel. To be honest, I think I'm going to probably change it out temporarily for that. Other than that, I mean, nothing has really changed tremendously to the system. But I mean, yeah, nothing really has changed. I did add an exit sign. I'm probably going to make a separate video for that. It actually came out looking really good, but well, that's in another video. But other than that, I mean, let me go get this tested. So I don't know if you heard me. The last words I said is because my dad had just gotten here and he doesn't know how to close the garage door. So so like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I have, well, the plate, because I mean, since it has those bigger boxes, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera. Okay, so I put it on there. It actually looks really good. Let me go turn the panel back on and we'll go ahead and test it. This is literally going to be my first time hearing this alarm. And let's do this. I'm kind of scared. I don't know if it's going to be loud. I guess let's do it. Wow, I love it, guys. And its system sensor sync is actually still syncing them. I didn't think that was going to happen. See, they are in sync. Okay, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.